There's something nobody tells you when you're younger, but it becomes impossible to ignore as you get older. The strength in your legs quietly shapes your independence. Everyday tasks like walking, standing, or climbing stairs can suddenly feel hard. Imagine a regular morning when you're getting ready to leave the house. But today, your legs feel unusually heavy, like they're holding you back. They're a little shaky, and going downstairs leaves you out of breath. You pause halfway down, holding the handrail. It's not about laziness. It's that your legs have slowly lost strength. And it's time to hear something important. Every 11 seconds, an older adult is hospitalized because of a fall caused by weak legs. That number isn't just a statistic. Behind each fall lies fear, pain, and often a lost sense of freedom. Having weak legs isn't something you must accept. It's often the result of habits, or missing habits, each day. And here's the best part. You don't need to overhaul your whole life or spend a fortune. The answer may already be in your kitchen. 4 simple, affordable foods can truly help your muscles, joints, and balance. Let me show you how. It starts with what you eat. Your body isn't giving up. It's waiting for the right fuel. So stick with me. The first food I want to share can not only help your leg strength, it may improve your sleep and mood in the days ahead. Welcome, dear friends, to Be Healthy Talks. If you're new, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, let's begin. The first food is small but mighty. It's the foundation for rebuilding your leg strength starting now. Chickpeas. After years of working with older adults, one thing is clear. The simplest foods often offer the biggest help. One of those unsung heroes is the humble chickpea. Those small garbanzo beans tucked away in your pantry may feel ordinary, but they're powerful. Chickpeas are packed with plant-based protein, which is key to keeping muscles strong and steady. By the time most people reach 50, muscle strength begins to decline more quickly. This is called sarcopenia, and it can make your legs weaker, affect your balance, and raise the risk of falls. Regularly eating chickpeas can slow down this loss, helping you keep stronger and steadier legs. But there's more. Chickpeas offer magnesium, iron, and vitamin B6. These nutrients are vital for muscle movement, reducing tiredness, and making sure your nerves talk to your muscles clearly. Magnesium and B6 together can ease cramping, stiffness, and the heavy leg feeling many older folks experience. A 2019 study found that older adults who ate chickpeas 3 times a week lost 22% less muscle compared to people who didn't eat them regularly. That's not just a number. It's a real way to stay active, independent, and confident. I usually suggest starting with about half a cup, around 125 grams of cooked chickpeas, each serving, a few times a week. Chickpeas are also super flexible. Roast them with olive oil and herbs for a tasty snack, toss them in salads, or simmer them in a warm soup with turmeric, black pepper, carrots, and celery. Here's a tip. If you're using dried chickpeas, soak them overnight with a pinch of baking soda. It makes them easier to digest and helps your body absorb more iron, especially helpful if you're sensitive or low on iron. Adding chickpeas regularly isn't just adding flavor. It's building stronger legs, better balance, and a healthier tomorrow. Now, food number 2. Pumpkin seeds. These small crunchy seeds do more than just offer muscle strength. They help with a common but often ignored issue, leg cramps at night. If chickpeas lay the foundation, pumpkin seeds fine-tune your system, helping your muscles and nerves work calmly and smoothly. They're rich in magnesium, which supports muscle coordination, nerve health, and cramp prevention. Many people over 50 are low in magnesium, even if they eat well. That imbalance can show up as restless legs, twitching, stiffness, or just feeling off after doing light activity. Pumpkin seeds don't just help with magnesium. They also bring zinc, healthy fats, and antioxidants. These calm joint swelling, protect cartilage, and are great if your knees feel stiff. In a 2020 study, adults over 55 who ate 30 to 40 grams of pumpkin seeds daily for 6 weeks had a 31% drop in nighttime leg cramps and improved balance. That means feeling steadier, sleeping better, and waking up stronger. I recommend about 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of unsalted pumpkin seeds daily. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, salads, veggies, or just enjoy them lightly toasted in the afternoon between 3 and 5 p.m. That timing gives your body a few hours to absorb the magnesium and relax before bedtime. It's small, easy, and powerful. Great for muscle control, cramps, and overall leg comfort. Food 3. Seaweed. This might surprise you. It doesn't grow in fields or gardens. It comes from the ocean. It's soft, light, often paper-thin, and easy to overlook. But don't let looks fool you. Seaweed is packed with nutrients that help your joints and bones, especially if they've been missing support over time. If your knees click when you stand up or creak when you climb stairs, that's your body asking for hydration, nourishment, and support. Seaweed is here to help. Types like wakame, kombu, sea lettuce, and brown algae are rich in natural calcium, iodine, and special anti-inflammatory compounds such as fucoidin and laminorin. These nutrients help strengthen bones, ease stiff joints, protect cartilage, and help your body produce synovial fluid, the cushioning liquid that lets joints move smoothly and without pain. A 2021 study found that women over 60 who ate seaweed 2 to 3 times a week had up to 16% higher bone density than those who didn't. That's not just a number. It's about helping prevent fractures that can seriously affect independence. You don't need to overhaul your diet. Just adding seaweed a few times a week, sprinkles, soups, wraps, can make a difference. And here's a trick. When making seaweed broth, stir in a few slices of fresh ginger and a drop of sesame oil. It boosts absorption, adds warmth, and helps digestion. Especially helpful if your stomach is sensitive or digestion slow. Seaweed may look humble, but its impact is deep, supporting bones, soothing joints, and restoring fluid movement. Finally, food 4. Avocado. When your legs stop protesting with the sunrise, you realize healing can come from the simplest gifts. Avocado isn't from the ocean or forest. It grows quietly on trees. It gives you one of nature's most intelligent restorative fats. It goes beyond nutrition. It helps your body move, feel, and connect. If you felt numbness in your calves, tingling toes, or like your steps don't quite match your brain's input, this could be due to undernourished nerves. Avocados, with their creamy texture, offer monounsaturated fats like oleic acid. These fats strengthen nerve cell membranes and improve communication between your brain, spine, and legs. That support helps you feel more controlled, present, and less likely to trip. Avocados also give you potassium, which helps fluid balance, muscle movement, and cramps. Plus, they contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your nerves from stress and age-related wear. A 2021 study found that older adults who ate avocado at least 4 times a week, about 1/3 to half a fruit, saw better balance and steadiness in just 6 weeks. Whether on toast, in salads, smoothies, or wraps, it's easy to add. A little tip. Mash avocado and top it with crushed walnuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds. This adds omega-3s and extra vitamin E, perfect for nerve strength, joint care, and reducing body-wide inflammation. Avocado may feel soft, but it works as an internal shield, supporting your nerves, stabilizing movement, and helping every step feel secure and intentional. So by just adding these 4 foods, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, seaweed, and avocado, to your weekly routine, you're not just improving muscles, joints, and nerves. You're investing in your independence and the way you move through life. Don't wait until you need a cane or help to walk. Start now, maybe with an avocado, a handful of pumpkin seeds, or a warm bowl of seaweed soup. Each step today strengthens your freedom tomorrow. If this has opened your eyes or lifted your heart, please like and share it with friends or family who deserve to walk with ease and peace. And don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss more tips from Be Healthy Talks to stay active, balanced, and independent at every age.